Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. When you're ready, download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer on both smartphones, and when your apps are ready, open them. Now, in order to continue, you need to set them up. Let's start with Google Pixel. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up. Allow all in the second one, and finally whatever you want to in those three. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner. Now on Samsung do exactly the same. Click on I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow. Allow all and whatever you want to in those pop-ups. This time though, choose receive right next to send, also at the bottom left corner. When you finished, go back to Google Pixel and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. Like that. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In some of those categories though, like for example contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up, and finally decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on input key section below, enter the key on Samsung, input all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And click on red receive button to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above user guide. Wait for the pop-up and allow camera access after closing an ad. In order to do that, you can click on while using the app or only this time. Then point your Samsung's camera at the code and wait. Close ads. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!